Today we're going to prepare air fryer donuts. So no frying, but you'll see they're just as delicious and fluffy. I'll also give you the oven baking instructions if you don't have an air fryer. Make dough by combining flour, sugar, and optional cinnamon in mixing bowl. No need for cinnamon. Create a well in the center of the mixture. And add the yeast into the well. I used instant yeast for this preparation. Then you add an egg. Add warm milk. It shouldn't be cold, at least room temperature. And knead the mixture using the hook attachment of your mixer. You can certainly make this by hand like any other recipe for brioche recipes, but it takes a lot of muscle power. When the dough is well combined, you will add the butter gradually while continuing to knead. And when you have added all the butter, continue kneading until the dough pulls away from the sides of your mixer. Subsequently, I set it to puff up right in my air fryer. This is wonderful. Look how well she has puffed up. The air fryer steams, so I left it for an hour. At room temperature, it takes an hour and a half. Next, spread your dough on a floured work surface to a thickness of 1 to 1.5 centimeters. With a donut cutter, you will shape your donuts accordingly. I'll include the references for the cookie cutter in the video description. Simply click the small plus icon. I'll share all the ingredient quantities too. After that, I allowed my donuts to proof at room temperature for 30 minutes. Now it's time to cook. I oiled the rack of my air fryer to prevent sticking. I placed my donuts and also lightly oiled them with a cooking brush. If you like the recipe, as usual, I count on you to like the video. It's very important to me. It really helps with my visibility, and I thank everyone who does it. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. It's free of charge. If you'd like notifications, just click the small bell icon. I used the air fryer for 4 minutes at 195 degrees. No preheating needed. It worked great. In the oven, it takes 8 minutes at 180 degrees if preheated. To make the glaze, I created a royal icing that I made fairly runny to ensure it was very thin. And not too sweet. I just wanted something transparent. I dipped my donuts one by one into the mixture. You see, at first it looks white. Then I let them dry on a rack for 5 minutes and the white goes away, creating a clear effect. We will check the inside so you can see the dough. They turned out really soft and fluffy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you have any questions, I look forward to seeing you in the comments. See you soon. Bye.